Here's problem 3. It says, some numbers have been placed below in order from 0 to 40. So down here are the numbers 0 to 40. Those are our tens. It wants us to place the numbers from the rectangle in order between the tens. So we have the number 3, 22, 19, 29, and 35. You need to tell me where these numbers go between the tens. So here's what I would recommend doing. And if you were in small group yesterday with me or on Wednesday, I want you to think about how we practice this. So you can put them in order you're going to put them in order, but I want you to think, okay, if I'm trying to put the number 3, when am I going to say 3 when I'm counting? Do I say between 0 and 10, 10 and 20, 20 and 30, or 30 and 40? Or if you're working on a number that like 22, if you see that it starts with a 2, you can think, okay, if it starts with a 2, where is that going to go? Please make sure that you do all 5 numbers between these tens, okay? It might help that after you write one of these numbers down below, you cross it out so that you know that you've done it, okay? Make sure you do all of those numbers.